Hey, you think you know chicken? You think you've had cozy, comforting stews? I'm about to introduce you to a dish that doesn't just feed you, it tells a story. A story with a secret weapon, a French accent, and a finish so good you'll want to applaud. This is coq au vin, but not like you've seen it. This is the ultimate one-pot wonder, and it all starts with a midnight rendezvous in your fridge. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make magic. Part 1. The overnight marinade, the game changer. Here's the hook, the secret that changes everything. We're not just cooking chicken, we're infusing it. Grab your largest bowl or a sturdy zip-top bag. In goes our star, rich, forgiving chicken thighs. Now, the plot twist. A generous glug of red wine, nothing fancy, just something you drink. We're adding chopped carrot, chopped onion, a few sprigs of earthy thyme, a couple of aromatic bay leaves, some whole peppercorns, and a good pinch of salt. Give it a gentle squish. Look at that color already. This isn't just a marinade, it's a flavor bath. Seal it up, tuck it into the fridge, and walk away. Let the chicken dream in that ruby red potion for at least 4 hours, but honestly, overnight is the key. 8 to 12 hours while you sleep. That's when the alchemy happens. Fast forward to cooking day. First, our supporting actors, pearl onions. We're going to give them a little tan. Sauté until they're golden and sweet, about 5 to 7 minutes. Scoop them out. Next, the mushrooms. Let them sear and brown in that same pot until they've given up their moisture and are beautifully browned. They join the onions. See how we're building a cast? Pull out your chicken, and this is crucial. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. We need that skin bone dry for the perfect sear. Now, strain the marinade through a sieve. Save that beautiful, fragrant liquid. And don't you dare throw away those soggy carrot and onion solids. They're flavor gold. We'll use them both. Just toss the thyme stems and bay leaves. Part 2. Building layers of flavor. Heat your stage, a heavy Dutch oven, medium heat, a tablespoon of oil. Now, the main event, the chicken. In a shallow dish, mix a little flour with salt and pepper. Dredge each dried thigh, shake off the excess. Add a bit more oil to the pot, get it shimmering. Lay the chicken in, skin side down. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor forming. Don't touch it. Let it get gorgeously golden, then flip. About 6 to 8 minutes total. Remove them to a plate. They're not cooked through, just getting their sear on. The plot thickens. Now those reserved veggie solids from the marinade, in they go. Cook them for 6 to 8 minutes. They're softening, caramelizing in the bacon fat, grabbing all the browned bits from the chicken. This is the soul of your sauce. Stir in a big spoonful of tomato paste. Cook it for just a minute to wake it up. Part 3. The braise and finish time for the big reveal. Pour in that reserved marinade liquid. It'll hiss and steam. Scrape up every last bit of flavor from the bottom of the pot. That's fond, and it's culinary treasure. Bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes to cook off the raw alcohol. Now, add some chicken broth. Bring it all to a gentle, happy simmer. The braise. Gently return the chicken thighs and any juices on the plate to the pot. The liquid should come about halfway up the chicken. Lid on, heat down to low. Now, we wait. Let it simmer gently for 45 minutes to an hour. This is where tough turns tender, where flavors marry. Go set the table. When you lift that lid, oh, the aroma. Carefully remove the chicken. Now, let's make that sauce sing. Simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes to reduce and concentrate slightly. Turn off the heat. Here's the chef's kiss. Swirl in a few pats of cold butter until the sauce becomes glossy and luxurious. Return the chicken, those pearl onions and mushrooms, back to the pot to warm through. But wait, we need the perfect co-star. Creamy, dreamy, super cheesy mashed potatoes. Boil your potatoes, mash them while they're hot. Heat some cream until it's steaming, then stir in a mountain of shredded mozzarella until it melts into a stretchy, glorious cheese pull situation. Fold that into your fluffy potatoes. Yes, like that. Look at that stretch. That's the side dish of your dreams. Serve it up. A beautiful thigh, that deep, glossy sauce studded with bacon, onions, and mushrooms, all over a mound of that cheesy mash. A final flourish of fresh parsley. This is more than dinner. This is an experience you built, layer by loving layer. It's patience rewarded. It's the ultimate comfort with a French twist. Now dig in. You've earned it.